You need to learn to crawl and then to walk and then to jog and then to run. Too many firms are going from not even crawling yet and they're wanting to run a marathon and they're wanting to do complete AI. But I'm seeing a lot of skips. How are we doing? And they say, okay, we're going to skip over all of traditional modeling, statistics, ML, and all that. And we're going to jump straight into AI and we're going to do LLMs and it's going to solve every problem out there for us. You don't have these pieces we talked about, the planning experience, the communication, the data, the skills. You're missing this piece. You need to learn to crawl and then to walk and then to jog and then to run. If you are dead serious on using AI and ML and modeling as a whole, because a lot of these firms are missing traditional modeling here, you need to make this a core competency. This is not something you go buy 2 or 3 vendor products, you slap them in, you hope they work, and everything works fine. But to really get positive ROI on model development, whether it's AI, ML, stats, math, the whole gamut here of any sort of process here of modeling, you need to have all these pieces in place. You need to have the planning, the communication, the data, and the skills all put together. I know this sounds a little odd, but you might be an expert in the skill side of it and projects are failing and they're super expensive and it's because you're missing one of the other 3 pieces or it's just so poorly done, you cannot execute here. I hope you guys have this takeaway from this, that pipeline itself is critical, understanding the pipeline, analyzing the pipeline, and then diagnosing with one of these 4 issues in that pipeline where that issue is kind of sitting. That is going to get projects across the finish line on time and on budget. So that's how I would go through the process of maximizing ROI in the model development space with AI, ML, stats, and math.